morning, Steve Green in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Beans are down about 7 cents, corn down 2 cents, and wheat's up about a penny. Outside markets, stocks are about unchanged. The dollar's higher, crude is lower, and might be some profit taken in crude because of overdone concern about supply issues in the Middle East. We also see that gold's a little bit lower. In the grain market, pretty good rally yesterday. Some people talked about a turnaround Tuesday, so maybe some short covering before month end, maybe a little bit better demand for U.S. corn on the export side, and recent buying of China, although there was no new announcements yesterday. I think the market still is near season lows from number one in the beans, a record crop. We did see crop ratings decline last week, and talk about a little bit of some diseases in the beans in parts of the central Midwest. But overall, the yield should be record, and that adds to the carryout. We also note that some people are talking about the dryness in South America before planting season. But right now, the forecast looks like mostly favorable weather once we get into the growing season. We did see a little uptick in world vegetable oil prices, with Indonesia using more of their production for domestic biofuel. We did note that in the corn market, U.S. prices are cheaper than Brazil and also Ukraine, and the conflict in Russia and Ukraine continues to add some concern about their exports, although we haven't seen any delay in logistics to this point. Again, the U.S. corn crop should be a record and should add to the carryout, which offers resistance even at these price levels. In the wheat market, Russia continues to offer wheat at discounted export prices, even though their crop is smaller. Some traders are scratching their head as to why Russia's offering wheat at such a cheap price, but they continue to be aggressive on anybody that comes in and wants to be a buyer of wheat, although that demand seems to be somewhat lower than last year, either due to domestic economics in recession modes, or the fact that consumer buying is on the decline.